If you think SUVs are just practical family haulers, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS Coupe is here to change your mind. Fast, this isn't just another luxury SUV. It's Porsche's way of proving that performance and practicality don't have to live in separate garages. With a twin-turbo V8, stunning design, and a cabin that blends luxury with motorsport cues, this is the SUV for people who still want to feel the road. Let's start with the looks. The Cayenne GTS Coupe isn't trying to hide its performance DNA up front. It sports a more aggressive bumper design with wide air intakes and Porsche's signature 4-point LED headlights. Blacked-out accents and body-colored wheel arches add to its assertive look. The 21-inch RS Spider design wheels fill the arches with purpose, while the sloping roofline and sculpted tail end finish things off with coupe-like elegance. Add in quad exhausts and a roof spoiler, and it's clear this is no soft dash ROADER. Step inside, and the vibe shifts from aggressive to focused refinement. Porsche decks out the interior in race decks, suede-like material accented with bold red stitching and sporty red seatbelts. The bucket-style front seats aren't just supportive, they're sculpted for enthusiastic driving without sacrificing comfort. It's a cockpit that puts the driver at the center of attention, without overwhelming with unnecessary flash. Under the hood lives the real reason. Enthusiasts are paying attention. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 493 horsepower and 487 lb-ft of torque. That means 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 4.2 seconds, which is absurd for something this big and luxurious. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission, power delivery is instant and smooth. Whether you're darting through traffic or climbing a mountain road, this SUV moves with the urgency of a true Porsche. And then there's the sound. The standard sport exhaust system roars to life with a deep, throaty growl that builds with every press of the pedal. It's not just noise, it's character, the kind of acoustic signature that turns every drive into an event, even if it's just a run to the grocery store. Handling is where the Cayenne GTS Coupe really shines. Porsche's adaptive air suspension and rear-biased all-wheel drive system keep the big body in check, making it feel surprisingly nimble for an SUV. Body roll is minimal, steering is sharp, and cornering grip is plentiful. You forget you're driving something this size until you look in the rearview mirror. Inside tech is plentiful and purposeful. A curved 12.6-inch digital gauge cluster sits in front of the driver, while a 12.3-inch touchscreen handles duties. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and even an optional head-up display. Everything is intuitive and fast, no gimmicks. Just seamless functionality that complements the driving experience. And yes, safety is part of the package too. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even night vision assist, because this SUV is as smart as it is fast. Add in parking sensors and a 360-degree camera, and you've got confidence in every direction, starting at around $120,000. The Cayenne GTS Coupe sits between the base Cayenne and the turbo variants. It's not entry-level by any means, but it offers a sweet spot of power, luxury, and everyday usability. Add optional upgrades like a Burmeister sound system, carbon fiber trim, or ceramic brakes, and you've got a machine that borders on exotic.
Instead of searching inside for what they gave him,